Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Open source intelligence, or OSINT, is a powerful method of gathering information. It relies entirely on publicly available sources. These sources include social media, websites, public records, and more. In today's digital age, OSINT has become increasingly vital. This is due to the sheer volume of data available online. OSINT plays a crucial role in various fields. These fields include law enforcement, business intelligence, and cybersecurity. Investigators and researchers use OSINT to uncover hidden connections, verify information, and gain valuable insights. It's like piecing together a puzzle using publicly available pieces. The beauty of OSINT lies in its accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can leverage OSINT techniques. It doesn't require expensive software or specialized training. All it takes is a curious mind and the right tools to navigate the vast digital landscape. In the wrong hands, OSINT can be misused for malicious purposes. However, when used ethically and responsibly, it serves as a powerful tool for good. It helps us understand the world around us better and make more informed decisions. The world of OSINT offers a wide array of tools, each with unique capabilities. These tools help investigators delve deeper into online data. Let's explore some popular OSINT tools. Search engines like Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo are essential. They allow targeted searches using specific keywords. Social media platforms are goldmines of information. Website analysis tools like BuiltWith and Wayback Machine are invaluable. Public records databases like Pacer and LexisNexis offer access to legal documents. As technology evolves, new tools emerge, enhancing OSINT capabilities. OSINT has proven its worth in numerous real-world scenarios, showcasing its versatility and impact. Let's delve into some compelling case studies where OSINT played a pivotal role. In the realm of law enforcement, OSINT has been instrumental in tracking down fugitives, identifying suspects, and gathering evidence. By analyzing social media posts, investigators can piece together timelines, establish connections, and uncover crucial leads. Businesses leverage OSINT for competitive intelligence, market research, and due diligence. By monitoring competitors' online activities, businesses can gain insights into their strategies, identify potential threats, and make informed decisions. Journalists and researchers rely heavily on OSINT to verify information, uncover hidden truths, and expose wrongdoing. OSINT enables them to connect the dots, corroborate stories, and hold powerful entities accountable. From solving crimes to exposing corporate malfeasance, OSINT has emerged as an indispensable tool across various sectors. Its ability to uncover hidden truths and provide valuable insights makes it an invaluable asset in today's information-driven world. As we venture further into the digital age, the field of OSINT is poised for significant advancements. With the exponential growth of data and the emergence of new technologies, the future of OSINT holds both exciting possibilities and potential challenges. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are expected to revolutionize OSINT by automating tasks, identifying patterns, and generating insights from massive datasets. AI-powered OSINT tools will be able to analyze data at an unprecedented scale, uncovering connections and patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect. The rise of the Internet of Things, IoT, will create a vast network of interconnected devices, generating an overwhelming amount of data. OSINT investigators will need to develop new techniques and tools to collect, analyze, and make sense of this data deluge. As OSINT becomes more sophisticated and accessible, it's crucial to address the ethical implications and potential for misuse. Striking a balance between leveraging the power of OSINT and safeguarding privacy and security will be paramount. Section 5. Navigating the ethical maze, responsible OSINT practices. While OSINT offers immense potential, it's crucial to wield this power responsibly and ethically. The vast amount of information available online can be overwhelming, and well, it's easy to cross ethical boundaries unintentionally. One of the fundamental principles of ethical OSINT is respecting privacy. Just because information is publicly available doesn't mean it's ethical to collect, store, or share it without proper consideration. It's essential to anonymize or pseudonymize data whenever possible to protect individuals' identities. Transparency is another cornerstone of ethical OSINT. When conducting OSINT investigations, it's essential to be transparent about your methods, sources, and intentions. This helps build trust and ensures that your findings are credible and reliable. Ethical OSINT practitioners always prioritize the well-being of others and avoid causing harm. They use their skills and knowledge responsibly, ensuring that their actions align with legal and ethical standards. Section 6. The dark side of OSINT, potential pitfalls and misuse. Despite its many benefits, OSINT is not without its dark side. In the wrong hands, OSINT techniques can be misused for malicious purposes, posing significant risks to individuals and organizations. One of the most concerning aspects of OSINT misuse is its potential for privacy violations. With the vast amount of personal information available online, it's easier than ever to stalk, harass, or dox individuals. Doxing is the act of publicly revealing private or identifying information about an individual or organization, typically with malicious intent. OSINT can also be used to spread disinformation and manipulate public opinion. By creating fake social media profiles, spreading false rumors, and amplifying biased information, malicious actors can sow discord, erode trust, and influence public discourse. To mitigate the risks associated with OSINT misuse, it's essential to raise awareness about responsible OSINT practices, promote ethical guidelines, and develop countermeasures to combat malicious activities. Section 7. The power of OSINT, empowering investigations and decision-making. Despite the potential for misuse, the power of OSINT for good cannot be overstated. When used responsibly and ethically, OSINT can be a powerful tool for empowering investigations, informing decision-making, and promoting transparency. In the realm of investigative journalism, OSINT has become an indispensable tool for uncovering corruption, exposing wrongdoing, and holding powerful entities accountable. By leveraging open-source information, journalists can connect the dots, corroborate stories, and bring hidden truths to light. OSINT also plays a crucial role in due diligence and risk assessment. Businesses use OSINT to vet potential partners, assess risks, and make informed decisions about investments and collaborations. By conducting thorough OSINT investigations, businesses can mitigate risks and protect their interests. As the volume of publicly available information continues to grow, OSINT will become even more critical in empowering individuals and organizations to make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of the digital age. Section 8. Mastering OSINT. Tips for effective information gathering. Mastering the art of OSINT requires a combination of technical skills, critical thinking, and a healthy dose of curiosity. Here are some tips to enhance your OSINT capabilities. Start with a clear objective. Define your goals and the specific information you're seeking. This will help you narrow your focus and avoid getting lost in the vast ocean of data. Utilize advanced search operators. Familiarize yourself with advanced search operators for search engines like Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo. These operators allow you to refine your searches and retrieve more relevant results. Verify your sources. Don't believe everything you read online. Always verify the credibility of your sources and cross-reference information to ensure its accuracy. Document your findings. Keep detailed records of your search queries, sources, and findings. This documentation will be invaluable if you need to retrace your steps or share your findings with others. Stay up to date. The world of OSINT is constantly evolving. Stay informed about new tools, techniques, and trends by following industry blogs, attending conferences, and engaging with the OSINT community. By following these tips and continuously honing your skills, you can become a more effective OSINT practitioner and uncover valuable insights from the vast digital landscape. Section 9. Conclusion. OSINT in a connected world, a force for good. In an increasingly interconnected world, OSINT has emerged as a powerful tool for gathering information, understanding our surroundings, and making informed decisions. From solving crimes to exposing corporate malfeasance, OSINT has proven its worth in countless scenarios. As we venture further into the digital age, the field of OSINT is poised for significant advancements. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things will revolutionize how we collect, analyze, and interpret open-source information. However, with this power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to use OSINT ethically and responsibly, respecting privacy, verifying sources, and avoiding harm. By promoting ethical guidelines and raising awareness about potential misuse, we can ensure that OSINT remains a force for good. In conclusion, OSINT is a powerful tool that can be used for both good and bad. By understanding its capabilities, limitations, and ethical implications, we can harness its power to make the world a safer, more transparent, and informed place.